What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So, it's time to unbox this brand new Vivo Nex, which is one of the exciting smartphone in market till now. The flagship device from Vivo comes packed with a variety of next generation features that have allowed Vivo to get as close to a bezel-less phone as we have seen before. The box is looking quite classic and simple, with the Nex branding on the front. Anyways, let's open the box and have a closer look at this next generation beast. When you open the box, first you will find the smartphone itself. The box also contains some documentations, along with a metal-coated SIM ejector tool. This time, there's a Type-C cable inside the box. Apart from that, there's a power adapter that supports 22.5 watts fast charging. As you can see, the charger is quite big in size. There are also a pair of headphones inside. You have to appreciate Vivo for not following the crowd and instead of including a notch. The company adopted a new technology to achieve an incredible 91.24% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes with 6.59-inch Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display that comes with 2316 into 1080 pixel screen resolution. All the sensors on the device are hidden under the display. Instead of an earpiece, this phone comes with a screen sound casting technology which promises better bass and softer treble. There's a very slim chin at the bottom of the phone as well as a faint bezel around the outside, but it's still remarkable how little bezel there is. The chin is very small, and it doesn't affect the look of smartphone. Inside the Vivo Nex, there's a top-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, which is the same as we have seen in a number of flagship devices. The smartphone comes with newly designed custom user interface Energy UI with AI technology, and it is running on top of Android Oreo operating system out of the box. The UI is really snappy with a better interface. The phone also comes with a bunch of AI features, but we will show you all those in a depth review. The launcher, buttons, font, animations, colors, all are very similar to iOS 12. I'm not at all a fan of this approach to its software design, but the least I can say is this is a dedicated and extremely well-executed interface. I'm sure this software sells phones in China, but it wouldn't fly in many markets around the world. The phone does come with volume rockers at the side, which are looking premium and are coated with metal. Also, next to the selfie camera, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very important. The bottom edge of the phone features the USB-C charging port and a single speaker for listening to general audio. Because of the narrow bezels surrounding, Vivo had to come up with a unique solution for the front-facing camera. And thus, one of the highlights of the phone is that it comes with a pop-up front-facing camera. The 8-megapixel front-facing snapper does take some time to click the selfie, but it doesn't feel frustrating. At the back, there is a dual camera setup, which comes with 12-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 5-megapixel secondary sensor. The primary lens has a f/1.8 aperture, while the secondary lens comes with a f/2.4 aperture. The design of the phone includes a glass back with curved edges, which means it sits quite comfortably in the hand. At a weight of 199 grams, it's not the lightest device on the market, but considering its size, this will be about the weight you would expect from a phone like this. Vivo has adopted a 4000 mAh battery inside the Nex, which is enough large, but may still struggle considering how much screen this phone has to be powering whenever it's turned on. Despite the glass back, Vivo has not included wireless charging technology in this phone, but it does at least support fast charging. The in-display fingerprint sensor is also rocking on this smartphone, which really increases the screen unlock time by 10%. Anyways, that's all guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos, get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.